Hi, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to fetch the leads from WhatsApp and save it in your Hive dashboard and automatically assign the employee as well. Then send a notification of this new card which has been assigned in the internal WhatsApp group, right? So let's start this automation and we are using Hive of course and WhatsBoost to fetch the data and the lead from your WhatsApp. Okay, and the third party here is Google Sheet, which we use for the whole the automation and logging purpose. So what it will do, let's see. This is my chat. So I have sent a message from my WhatsApp. See, hello, I need Hive automation with WhatsApp group notification, right? So I've received a message, which this message can be come from any chat. Okay, as soon as the message comes, the Hive is the keyword here. So it picked up, WhatsBoost picked up the Hive keyword and send it to the Google Sheet using webhook, as you can see, right? The whole conversation, the name of the lead, and the number of the lead has been sent. Now, what it will do, it will come here in the new row. Then this coded sheet, as you can see, it came, will assign an employee. Then it will send this whole information, the lead name, number, the conversation in the description of the card to the Hive. Okay. After it has been sent to the Hive, it will send to the WhatsApp group as a notification that this new card has been assigned to the certain employee, right? So let's see in the Hive, right? It has been created. Hello, I need Hive automation with WhatsApp group notification. So it has been created. So now it will, what it will do, it will send the notification in WhatsApp, and after that it will automatically send the message to the WhatsApp group. Let's see in the WhatsApp group. So this was the message: new lead alert assigned to Sunil, right? Lead name Mahesh, conversation with this. So this is the whole automation, and thank you so much. Have a nice day.